Hi, I am Ursula, virtual leader at AI4SP.org. I am here to introduce you to our workshops and keynotes to unlock the potential of AI, beyond the buzz, into action. We explore the adoption of AI among nonprofit and private organizations, based on input from thousands of them. Our focus is generative AI, which enables machines to engage in human-like dialogue, creatively generate content, and drive data-driven insights. The democratization of AI paved the way for accessible and intelligent technology for all. And here's the best part. You don't need a team of scientists to benefit from AI. We have analyzed over 10,000 affordable AI solutions and have also created AI software that positively impact millions. We also focus on privacy, compliance, and the evolving business and economic models. Contact us to get started. We support students, entrepreneurs, nonprofits, philanthropists, educators, investors, business, and government leaders from 25 countries. Let's create, use, and support AI that works for all.